I got you. And I got you. And finally, I got you. Yeah. Oh, hey. 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 Nothing to see here. You didn't see nothing. Somebody cue the music. Cue the intro.
It's everything to be an underground king. Underground king. I sacrifice everything to be an underground king.
What it do, kings and queens? It's your boy, the UP King, the People's Champ, and I'm back with another video. And listen, this is a short one, a real quick one for you, just putting out some more information. And first and foremost, shout out to Blood, Sweat, and Bass. He's the one that asked the question, and I'm here doing the video for you and everybody else that might want this information. He asked, what adapter do you need with the spread to actually use the 3M PPS cup system, the disposable cups? What do you need to go with those guns? So I'm putting that video together for him. Shout out to you. So what you need is the adapter S2C. Need that adapter right there. Now, if you got some cups, got a lid, you got everything you need. Well, of course, you need your spray gun. So, we got the Summit lvlp version R500, and of course the SprayIT R500. So we like to call this, well, this is big brother, little brother. And of course, with the adapter, you put that on. It's gonna fit just like that, just like so. Got your cup, put it on, and you're ready to go. Let's see if little brother do the same thing. All right, adapter fits. Give it a twist, and I put it on crooked. Come on, man. You can't do that in the middle of a video. Let's try this one more time. Ah, there we go. And there you go. It fits. So, another short, quick video, some information. If you want to use the 3M PPS cup system 2.0, let's get that straight. It's got to be the 2.0 to use that adapter and the cup system with the SprayIT and SprayIT's little brother, and you're good to go. Hey, now you can get to work. Man, I'm giving you all the information. Come on, let's get to work. Let's go. Man, I can't believe I showed them the box. I wasn't supposed to show them the box. They're gonna know something coming. No, they won't. Everybody skips through the videos. Nobody watch full videos. I got nothing to worry about.
It's everything